I finally got to join the girls on one of their adventures, and this one was extra special because it was also my first camping experience. To make it even more memorable, my sister joined us too, which made the whole trip even more meaningful. From setting up camp and enjoying the outdoors to sharing laughs and creating unforgettable memories together, this adventures was one of the books. So come along with us and experience our first camping trip together. Let's get started. Off to our camping. It's actually my first time to go camping, and I feel like excited a little bit. Charot.
Yaya? Wala na.
Opo. 6 tayo makararag. Kitang-kita yung ano eh. Eyeball.
So we're the pretty guy. Chris in the...
Magkano po yan? Saan maganda? Sige pa, doorbell na lang po. Tapos ipasenda lang.
Okay, so we are actually just stopping by in 7-Eleven to get some of stuff. So hurry at 7-Eleven just to get the stuff for like later or tomorrow with the girls. So, hi Mimi. We're going to make a coffee tomorrow because Chris wants to make coffee. Alright, let's see where's that at. Here's the thing though, they're gonna be like a copyright thing, so this we're inside the store. We're just gonna get some of this. So 4, 6, 8, 10. Mas bit nyo to be or ano? Yung creamer. Gagi. Saan kayo yung sugar paw?
Sugar?
Sugar at creamer daw. Sugar at saka fresh milk.
Fresh milk?
Yeah.
Tingnan mo. Hindi nakaano kasi siya eh. Wala parang walang.
Tapos airdrop mo.
These are the groceries that we're getting in 7-Eleven. So we're actually just packed a lot of stuff for like overnight. We have some yellow water and the pretty girls and the universe. There we go. We have like 6 bottles of soju. Look at Jen. Tiba-tiba yan mamaya me. Gusto-gusto ni siya yung ito eh. Kasi ang ganda daw niya.
Ganda nga nung camera mo.
Bakit iba yung sa'yo ba?
Talong eh.
Kasi tinted. Sa TikTok ko nga lang kinuha yung tinted. Nito eh. Yung sa tinted niya.
Bakit eh? TikTok lang.
Oh, sa TikTok lang. Alright. Everything sorted out. And we're ready na. We're ready for tonight.
Nag-send siya picture, papabutik daw siya.
Panis.
Pwede sa kumo ba? Sa kumo?
Chowking anyone?
Chowking na mo.
Chowking na mo. Alright. Another stop for drinks. Hit me baby one more time. Trying to get the sunset. Ay.
Pwede naman tayong paabot ng sunset bukas. Mag-init din. Eh di labas tayo.
Pwede naman. Dito tayo tambay.
Oo, mag-explore tayo ng tanay. Nandito na rin tayo.
You guys, we just arrived in the mountain. So Chris is driving and the road here is a bit crazy. But yeah, we will be probably, Jen is there. Pak, ganon! So we think to go that way to camp. But yeah, this is like a 360 view, and this is like an empty rest house. Nobody's here, maybe somebody here or not. So this is actually the name of it, Mount Colis. There we go. Supposedly we should arrive here like before sunset because it's like so beautiful, but of course a little bit of traffic in Manila, but we're gonna stay here until tomorrow and maybe we can get the sunset tomorrow as well. But this is like super cool though, and I could see or I could feel already the cooling of the wind. So but yeah, that will be our site there. Whew, cold already. Ang lamig no be? So pretty much we just got done our setup of tent and our night stay here. We have like 2 tents, and this is like our food here actually. We have like some soju. So this is like Korean rice wine. So we have 6 bottle of them. We also have like chow pan, chowking, some barbecues, and of course the other stuff as well. We have fire in there. So we're gonna be gathering here in this area. It's actually a nice setup. It's not too bad. So, and this will be our view. And we just park here as well, so it's like super close. So everything we need is here. A lot of stuff actually. And we have cooler. We're 5 of us, so we could like fit really good.
Ay, marunong na ako mag-tiktok niyan. Tinoro, di ba? Gusto niya ba ng sample?
Meron tayo.
Oh, di pa ako nakatayo na. Marunong na ako. Parang ang galing. Isa pa to.
Nagdadasa. Nagal yan?
Kala mo ako lang malala ah. Ha?
Mali malala yun sa'yo. Malala to, pero malala sa'yo.
Eh, ano ang flashlight? Oo, hindi ka kasama.
Siya lang.
Baliktad na! Yan.
Ah, diba pa?
Pa ako dun ah.
May papisik-pisik pa.
Pisik-pisik pa
Wala na.
pala.
Wala na. Uwian na.
Saan yung ano, red tsaka ano? Ito o, black pepper. Okay dyan.
Ano yan, black? Pwede mabawiin siya. Ha?
Hindi ba kailangan na mainit na tubig dyan?
Walang mainit eh. Malamig lang. Barista 101. Daming ano ni Chris?
Talent.
Talent.
Magaling din yan naman, no, tumuwad. Talent din yan ni Cherry Chris.
Kaya nga, daming talent eh. A lot of talent. Coffee morning, anyone? Good morning, everybody. So we actually just woke up maybe like 20 minutes ago and just kind of like catch the sunrise. The view here is fantastic. It's like 360 view that you could like see all the city. So this is how we sleep last night. We have like 2 tents, this one and the other one, and we just like had some girl stuff kind of thing, like playing cards and eating, of course, drinking a little bit. And the next day we woke up like this with a view. So there's actually a hiking trails here as well.
Hindi,
My first
ayoko
time
lang
to
yung
camping
ano,
is not too bad.
higaan, di ko kaya. Kasi di ba mabuto yung dito ko, hindi ako makatulog. Wala kayong foam?
Good morning, sunshine. Ganyan eh. When I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take out a breath and I can't get high and I...
Nakano pa yan, nakada.
Oh, wow.
Kwarto ko? Oo, nasa iyo yan. Yung parts na yan.
Fresh yard.
Parang lahat parehas kayo.
Naka-timelapse ata si Cherry Chris. Oh, wow. Ang galing naman pala. Dali lang, dali. Perfect. Yun na yun. Yun na yun.
At least nga nakatikot tapos, diba?
Sina Ivana Alawi at ang kanyang fan bam naman sa tulong ng isang detective slash investigator.
Latest lang ba ito? Parang sobrang ano
Sa tanungan.
Ang lamig na ito.
Ng lie detector machine.
Times 4 lang yung dapat yun. Natin ko times 4. Si Pastillas lang nag-manage kit.
Nasarado ko yung
Ay, pipindutin pa yun. Yung sa gilid mo. Ayun.
Ito?
Yan. Ito natin. Nakapag-o.
Wala na pa tayong bumay.
Hindi nag-automatic naman. Nakapakatan naman.
Madalas yung
Push mo na siya.
Hindi nag-pimples mo.
Kabila. Ay, ang ganda na. It's so pretty.
Saan ba yung may batong malaki? Baka tinanggal. Ayun.
Pinasabi mo siya, hindi ko na-play.
Hindi, okay lang. Work lang to. Mami J.
Kaya mo pa today?
Kaya pa today and every day. Oh,
Ah, ito pala exit.
yung manok ni Chao. Cha, ang manok. Oh, have chickens. Wow, very nice. Kasya pa na. off to breakfast, everybody. Get the view. Beautiful. Get the view. So this is the breakfast spot. Nice. You can actually like go down here to get more of the view. Thank you.
Magsilog ka ba? Labas mga vlogger. Danggit. Suka po siya. Buy your troll. Hindi mo trip yung tata. Hindi. Pwede po pa. Dagdag ng suka. Kaya lagayan at saka lagayan. Ganda na coffee tayo.
Just got back our camping, you guys. Transfer to car from that car. Sasakay sa atin si Cha. Oo, yun tayo, te. Ikaw, uwi na tayo.
Ano tayo?
Ikaw.
Ito ba?
Ikaw. Ikaw lang yung ano ko.
Hoy!
Hoy!
Baluto!
Making content with the girls. La 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 la, sige sige. Eh. Eh.
Mi! Dito ata, pag ganyan mo. Oo, pag ganun. Oo. Tapos dito tayo tatakbo. Kasi kapag doon natin isalubong sa ano, tawag doon yung... Huwag niyo masyadong ano ganito. Baka
Behind the scene of making content.
mataas.
There we go.
Carry lang, ano, dapat na-focus sa food.
Ikaw na lang kaya, ate. Marunong ka nga mag-talk eh. Tagalog.
Oo, kahit ano naman. Intro muna tayo
Okay.
Bawali ka dito.
Ay, wag na tayo mag-intro. Laro na lang tayo, diretso.
Hindi, explain na kung ano
sige.
gagawin natin.
Ano pangalan nito? Bato-bato pick?
Hindi.
May bataya,
game.
Okay, so
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys! So ngayon maglalaro kami ng
May bataya!
Go!
Ba't may pautong yan?
Game.
Mali. Okay na yan.
May ba? Kain. May ba tayo?
Ano ba? Ay!
Hindi dapat taas baba.
Taas ba ba?
Taas baba.
Taas baba. Taas baba.
Bakit naman sa?
Sure na ba kayo dyan?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3!
Wait pa, wala pa. Cinta. Yun! Tama mo. Pag ako pinili mo, pag ako pinili mo, lalabas aking, tas ano pa yun?
Sige, kaya nga
Ay, hirap naman yan!
Wait.